If your desktop icons are not showing on your Windows computer, you can try the following troubleshooting steps. Check if the Show Desktop Icons option is enabled. Right-click on an empty space on your desktop. In the context menu that appears, ensure that the View option is checked. If the Show Desktop Icons option is not checked, click on it to enable it. This should make the icons visible again. Restart Windows Explorer. Press Ctrl+Shift+Escape to open the Task Manager. In the Task Manager, locate Windows Explorer under the Processes or Details tab. Right-click on Windows Explorer and select Restart. This will restart the Windows Explorer process and may restore the desktop icons. Check if the desktop icons are hidden. Right-click on an empty space on your desktop. In the context menu, hover over View and check if the Auto Arrange Icons option is enabled. If it is enabled, uncheck it to see if the icons appear. Adjust the screen resolution. Right-click on an empty space on your desktop. Select Display Settings from the context menu. In the Display Settings, try adjusting the screen resolution to see if it affects the visibility of the icons. Scan for malware. Run a thorough scan of your computer using reliable antivirus or anti-malware software. Malware infections can sometimes cause issues with desktop icons. Create a new user profile. If the above steps don't resolve the issue, try creating a new user profile and check if the icons are visible there. If they are, it indicates that the problem may be specific to your user profile, and creating a new profile might be a solution. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be worth seeking additional technical support or assistance to diagnose and fix the problem.